This is Vijay Lakshmi, biology teacher, DAV RTPP Kadapa. Today, I would like to explain about circulatory system or transport system. This system is responsible to transport useful substances like nutrients, oxygen to body cells, and to eliminate waste materials like carbon dioxide in body cells. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessel. It plays a vital role to transport gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Now we are going to discuss about types of blood. There are two types of blood, oxygenated blood or oxygen rich blood, deoxygenated blood or oxygen poor blood. Now coming to the heart. Heart is covered by a membrane called pericardium. Pericardium protects the heart from mechanical shocks and blows. Here is a clear image of pericardium. You can see in this module. Now coming to the chambers of heart. The upper chambers of heart are called auricles and the lower chambers of heart are called ventricles. Auricles are separated by interauriculoventricular septum and ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. This is a clear image of internal structure of heart with the two important blood vessels called superior vena cava and aorta. Coming to the evolution of heart, there are drastic changes in the evolution of heart from unicellular organisms to multicellular organisms. Coming to the unicellular organism amoeba, we can observe the natural movements called Brownian movement, sponges, water currents, hydra, jellyfish, gastrovascular cavity, tapeworm, highly branched digestive system, roundworm, pseudocoelom, earthworm, pulsatile vessel, insects, pulsatile organs. Now coming to the evolution of chambers of heart. Two chambers heart is seen in Pisces. Amphibians contains three chambers heart. Reptiles contain incompletely divided ventricles. Apes and mammals contain four-chambered hearts. Here is a clear anatomy of chambers of heart from fish to mammal. Now coming to the cardiac cycle, one complete sequence of contraction and relaxation of heart is called cardiac cycle. The contraction phase is called systole and relaxation phase is called diastole. The whole process is completed in zero point 0.8 seconds. Atrial contraction is 0.11 to 0.14 seconds, whereas ventricular contraction is 0.727 to 0.35 seconds. Here you can have a clear image of cardiac cycle with ventricular contraction and auricular contractions. Now coming to the blood vessels, the two important blood vessels are arteries and veins. Arteries are the largest blood vessels. Arteries carry blood from heart to the body parts. And arteries carry oxygen-rich blood except the pulmonary artery. Arteries' walls are thick to withstand the high blood pressure. Whereas veins carry blood from body organs to heart and veins carry deoxygenated blood. And veins contain walls to prevent the backward flow of blood. Now coming to the blood capillaries, the smallest blood vessel with 1 cent thickness. Capillaries bringing nutrients and oxygen to tissues and absorbing carbon dioxide and waste products. Here is a very clear image of capillaries connecting the veins and arteries. Capillaries act as a bridge between arteries and veins. Blood pressure. When blood flows in the blood vessels, it exerts at a pressure called blood pressure. Blood pressure is measured by an instrument called sphygmomanometer. The normal blood pressure of healthy human is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. Blood pressure is not constant. Blood pressure varies from situation to situation. Blood pressure increases when we climb the steps, when we run, when we do exercise. If the blood pressure is more than 120 by mm of Hg at rest, is termed as hypertension. Hypertension leads to heart attack. Precautions to prevent hypertension: balanced diet, regular exercise, reduce your stress, do meditation, avoid smoking and alcohol consumption. Coming to pulse. Pulse is a rhythmic contraction felt on the wrist. Pulse is equal to heartbeat. Pulse is felt on wrist. Pulse vary from person to person, from situation to situation. Summary. In this module, we learned about the circulation and various organs involved in the circulatory system. Thank you.